And the fourth one is modal auxiliaries and modal verbs, we call them. They are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must, ought to. And there are three other kinds of auxiliaries. We call them as semi-modals. They are need, dare, used to, and these are all the modal auxiliaries, and they help us a lot in conveying a mood of the speaker. So modal auxiliaries help us to tell us the mood, that is the attitude of the speaker, and we cannot change the form of the modal auxiliaries like verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. So they're always like that, and always modal auxiliaries are always followed by bare infinitive and without to, which means modal auxiliary plus verb 1, and that is the rule that we should remember in the language. And modal auxiliaries or verbs are used to express certain functions in the language, such as for example, number 1, permission, to ask permission, number 2, to denote the ability, number 3, obligation, number 4, prohibition, number 5, lack of necessity, number 6, advice, number 7, possibility, number 8, probability. And these are all the different functions, general functions that are expressed by modal auxiliaries, and let us see them in a sentence. For example, if you say, may I use your phone please? This is asking permission. May, modal auxiliaries. May is a verb, modal verb. I can swim. Here we are talking about the ability of that particular person. Can is modal verb, modal auxiliary. And the next one is, you must stop when the traffic lights turn red. Here we are talking about the obligation. So must is a modal verb. And the next one is, you must not smoke in the hospital. It is a prohibition. Must again used to talk about the prohibition. And the next one is, I need not buy tomatoes. There are many in the fridge. So here we are talking about lack of necessity. Need is a modal auxiliary. And the next one is, you should or ought to revise your lessons. Here we are talking about the advice. So ought to, should is talking about the advice. And the next one is, it could rain tomorrow. Here we are talking about the possibility. Could, talking about the possibility. And the next one is, it may rain tomorrow. Here may is talking about probability, and there is a difference in the degree of level, that's it. So modal verbs or modal auxiliaries help us to convey the mood or the attitude of the person who is speaking. They are very helpful in conveying the right attitude of the person in the language.